Hey friends, if you encounter the video scheduler internal error on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the main resolution is to install the graphics card from the manufacturer's website. But before that, let us try updating the existing graphics card driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. And now expand the list of display adapters. Right click on the first one, update driver, search automatically for drivers. Right click on the second one, update driver, search automatically for drivers. The next solution is to reinstall the graphics card drivers from the manufacturer's website. Now let's download it first. So I have an Asus computer, so I'll simply search for Asus graphics card drivers. I'll tell you why we have to install it from the manufacturer's website. Basically, Microsoft picks up all of these drivers from the manufacturers and it delays it a little. So the manufacturer has its latest version and the correct version. Now I'll go to this one, the download center, and then I will type the model number of my system. It's 507RE. Okay, it's an Asus TUF gaming laptop, and then I'll click on driver and utility. And it will load. And I'll tell you something, if you use a Dell computer, an HP computer, a Lenovo computer, the procedure is simple. I mean, it's the same. All you need to do is search for Dell graphics card drivers, then go to the Dell website, and then you'll have to enter the model number of your product here, and you'll get the drivers. Now scroll down and you will find the graphics card drivers here. Okay, we have the NVIDIA graphics card driver here. Click on download. And as soon as it downloads, simply click on this file and it will start installing the drivers on your system. You have to click on this file here. It will start installing the graphics card drivers on your system. And then right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer. That will fix the problem. However, if it doesn't, then the next solution is to disable hardware acceleration. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select display in the right pane. Now you need to scroll down and click on graphics. Then click on change default graphics settings and turn this off. Hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Okay, it will impact gaming a little, but trust me, you may be needing it for this situation. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart it, because only after restarting your computer these changes will apply to it. Now, one more thing is, don't overclock your system. How do we not overclock our system? So if you are overclocking your system using software products like Armory, Crate or anything, then you know what overclocking is. And when you try overclocking your system, you usually get a warning that do not do it. So you know, if you're overclocking your system, you know that you're overclocking it. Simply disable that overclocking. That's very important. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And if everything else fails, the last solution is to reset the PC. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on recovery, select reset PC, click on remove everything, wait for it to load, and then select cloud download. I won't click on it or it will start resetting my PC, but you have to click on cloud download because we need to download the newer copy from the cloud. The local copy may have gone bad. So download the latest copy from the cloud and then reinstall your system. But obviously after backing up of all of the files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.